So look, there's your 11-day stretch in a row, 11 days in a row of below normal highs. Tomorrow we'll make 12 because we have a forecast of 95. The normal is 97. Our normal's very hot. So it's been great. We've had highs in the 80s, the low 90s. Today was 91. Normal's 97. So just wanted to show you that. The record's 106. Right now it's 83 degrees at DFW. So here's a look at the heat as we go into the beginning of the work week. We're into the upper 90s, 98 Monday, 99 Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's triple digits, 100 to 102. Saturday, 101. Temperatures again above normal, but the normal's 97. So, you know, that's just how it goes, I guess. Now, we have a little bit of cloud cover that builds in tonight. We'll start with a fair amount of clouds, some patchy fog will clear out. As we get into the mid-afternoon, this is 3 o'clock, there could be a stray shower, maybe a rumble of thunder. That's really it. The coverage is going to be really low and mainly to the southeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area going into Sunday evening. Now, off to the tropics. During the 5 and 6 o'clock newscast, this disturbance here was given a 30% chance of formation over the next 7 days. It's been bumped up to the moderate category of now 40% here this evening. That disturbance is moving west, closer to the Windward Islands, eventually closer to the Bahamas, maybe into the Caribbean. We'll watch it very closely, but right now it has a 40% chance of becoming our next named storm somewhere in this zone. And that would be Debbie. That's next in line. So, where does it track if it forms? How strong does it get? Those are questions we'll answer as we get into the work week next week. If it's going to make landfall, it becomes a storm and makes landfall, this would likely be a week away from today, maybe even a little bit longer. So as we get into the work week, we'll get a better picture of what's happening with that disturbance. But again, certainly in the area of concern for the United States. The other thing happening in the Atlantic is the Saharan dust. And I show you this because this is likely our most significant plume we've had this summer. We have a lot of very thick Saharan dust. Yes, it blows in 3,000 plus miles across the Atlantic from the Saharan desert in Africa, and it moves into our upper atmosphere. So as we get into Tuesday night, we'll see a little bit, but certainly Wednesday, Thursday, these brighter colors are thicker areas of the dust. You'll see some dust on your cars. It'll reduce the air quality and make interesting sunrises and sunsets. That expected again for the middle of next week through the end of next week. Tonight, just partly cloudy, pleasant with light winds 74, south winds 5 to 10. Could there be a stray shower tomorrow? Sure. It's going to get hot though, so we've enjoyed. Now remember, this 95 is still below the normal of 97, so it's not that bad. South winds 10 to 20. We turn breezy, it gets hot. The 14-day forecast, well, there it is. Now, this is more typical for a Texas summer. I know we've been very lucky, and hopefully that will make the summer feel a little bit shorter for a lot of folks because we had that nice stretch. Jonah, I'll talk to you in a second. I see that. 100 degrees Monday, 100 Wednesday, 101 Thursday. Rain chances remain minimal. I got distracted because I feel like I may finally be getting a tip